Alright, I think we're ready to start. Welcome to my stream. I am currently working on a game for the GDEX 2022 Game Jam. The basic idea, well, the theme is a race, and our basic idea is to do kind of like a runner, a timed runner or something. That is probably going to be multiplayer. I mean, I've already got the multiplayer in place, so I mean, why not? But the idea is you're getting to, it's just a get to the finish line before time runs out, and it's a first person kind of perspective. So double check stuff here. That looks good. Cool. Oh, okay. I've got a couple things I need to do. Also, let me make sure my stuff is checked in. What is this? Okay, that's just from recent. Currently kind of getting a main menu set up. And then a network lobby and so on and so forth. So the networking test, I guess I'll show off what I got so far. You actually do a side-by-side here. It looks completely different in the scene view than in the game view. Play. Don't need this to be that big. Oh. I guess you don't really see a character, but if you look, you can see this is kind of the style we're going for. This like hand-drawn, like you can see the drawings and stuff kind of drawn out. It's first person. Need to work on that. Of course, it may not be that big of a deal, but like the spheres, I can the stepping is like affecting, you know, being able to just step on the spheres. I don't want to do that. But there is a jump. Feeling like I feel it stick a little. Might just need to do some testing and stuff, but shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully my audio is not, my background music isn't too loud. I don't think it is. Okay. Anyway, this will have multiplayer. Fortunately, you can't really see the model of the character that people are gonna have because I disable it for the local player. That way you're not like seeing partial model here. Like the easiest way to do first person. I should probably have some kind of like, I don't know, like a shadow or something for the feet. Show where the feet are. I'll have to figure out how that's gonna work. Anyway, actually, what I should probably do, let me just put not a player, like just the player model in here that has like nothing behind it so that we can see the art style. Okay. The player model definitely shows the how the shader works a lot. a lot better than everything else. Yeah, see? As you can see all the different like lines and stuff drawn off of it. Kind of cool. Alright, well, this is the networking test one. I was gonna get just the normal, like the title screen set up. I need a title screen, I need a lobby. Well, I don't know, I'll figure it out. Actually, make a lobby. Let's see. There should be a way to. Nope. Duty, here it is. I need to get a script to handle the behind part here. Oh, I need to make sure the input system's in place. There we go. I also need to sort my scripts a little bit because now we've got different stuff here. Let's do, we got player. Kill. I want something for UI. So let's put the player ones in here. You can go into utility. Same for you. And then we'll have our UI, and that's our game manager. I hope that's not gonna break anything. Turn that down a little bit. There we go. I need a new script. Let's call this. I'll just call it title scene. All right, and I want our title scene script right here. I'll show you. Yeah. Let's go into here. Scripts. Title scene. I don't need those. What I need are methods to call for button presses. We have for single player, multiplayer, and quit. So This button, single player, score on click. Multiplayer, and then cool. Load scene. This will probably be. Oh. I don't have the scene yet, so. This is gonna be our lobby scene. I'm trying to think. When they hit multiplayer, because I'm just gonna have it to where they can either join existing room. Well, I may have done this a little wrong. So we need a lobby. We need a room where they can wait for people to join up. But we also need a room. We need a room scene. We need a lobby scene and a room scene. That's right. Okay, so then this will be fine. Lobby scene. Cool. And then... Oh, I'm trying to remember how to do it. Quick application editor. I know there's a way to do it. There it is. Okay, cool. And then, for single player, it'll basically just take us to like whatever single player world we want. That or a single player world, or it takes us to like a, I don't know, like a level selector. Level selector would probably be best. I'll just put level select scene here. Kind of a stand-in at the moment. All right, let's go back to Unity here. So that's there. So then what we can do is click on the canvas, then title scene, player, single player. Click canvas, scene, multiplayer, and then for quit. This, we'll see, and quit. Awesome. Okay, so it's already got okay, so it shows it there. If you notice the arrows that are here, these are for directional navigation. If you're either using WASD or the arrow keys, or if you're using a controller, this shows the navigation as far as where that goes. It can do it automatically, or if you have a more complex UI, you can set it manually as far as what goes to what. Actually, it's right here. Navigation is set to automatic, and you can visualize it. Yep. So at the moment, the automatic works. This is perfectly fine. I need. We got a lobby scene. I need to make we're gonna call it a room scene. This is the room where you're gonna wait and stuff. I should actually hold on. I'm gonna pull up Photon's documentation on that. I know they have documentation as far as how that works. Documentation. Girls. Lobby UI, game scenes, game manager. Okay, so lobby. Connection to server, room access, and creation. Okay. UI. Okay, so okay, so what I want, actually, I need to go back to my networking test scene and our game manager here. I want to save because that I want to bring in at different times. So, game manager, prefabs. Thank you. Okay, save. So let's go to our lobby scene. So I want our game manager to be in the lobby scene, because what that's going to do is I have it set up to where it's the game manager that controls connecting to the servers, making a room, very something like that. For the networking test, I just have it towards doing all of that automatically and naming just a set name and stuff like that. But I want to set it up to where that can all be set or can be done in order by user basis. So here's our game manager. Cool. These are the materials. Like player one's different. I don't know if you see that. Why are you different? You have a parent? Why is that a variant? That's weird. Can I make that? Well, I haven't had any issues, so I guess I can take care of that later. That was weird. I was wondering why the icon was a little different for player 1. Oh. Variant, family, material. Oh, okay. Well, I just fixed it. Okay. Okay, so we need to make some modifications to our game manager. So our game manager is... Wait. Grips. Why is this stuff still here? Thought I moved all that. Grips. Yeah. In fact, where's the game manager? Game manager script should be here. Weird that it's not here. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the commit. I need to look at the explorer. Ah, there it is. Wow. Okay. That was fun. Anyway. So separated from each other by game version, which allows you to make breaking. Oh, okay, that's nice. I'm gonna make this private and I'm gonna serialize it so we can actually see it. Okay. We don't need that. Okay, so on start, if it's connected, return. So if it's not connected, warning. Okay. So I need to reference the code. Second. That's fine. So if it is connected, return. That's fine. I think how I want to handle this because I want to leave the one in the networking scene, and I want to be able to just jump right into the networking scene without having to deal with stuff, without having to go through all the different scenes to create a room and all that. But That should be fine. I should probably have an idea. Prefabs, references. Let's do a settings. Put it up here. This public bool dev mode. What I can do is in the networking scene, I can set that to true. Yeah. Yeah, and no matter what, it should ignore that. Oh, but I can't. Excuse me. Okay, well, if dev mode, we want to do all of this. If not dev mode, then it's basically the normal way, where we had just entered the lobby. But then actually, how am I going to do this? Maybe I shouldn't do it this way. Yeah, let's not do it this way. We'll leave that part. The game manager is all separate. That'll be in the actual game scene. What I will probably do is make a lobby manager instead. So with that, let's make a new folder. Actually, I should probably do this in new. Lobby manager. I'll probably make. Oh wait, why did I do it? Name the folder that. I wanted to name the folder managers. I'll put the game manager in there. Cool. Let's go into the manager. Let's create new script. Okay. I'm gonna call this lobby manager. I don't want the game manager here. I'm almost thinking I should probably make another manager because I know I have all the networking stuff currently in the game manager. I should probably, if I make a network manager, that can start here as well. Let's do that. So C# network manager. and that'll be an actual object. Script on that. Cool. And then we will also need UI. I'll start with a button. Go. I want to do this. Do a join and like make them different modals. I guess I could do that. Have it to where when you click or when you first get here, it's just a either join or host. Host, it would just pop up a like name password. Well, we'd also want people to enter a username. I want to do that to begin with. One sec. My wife just sort of woke up. Wanted to talk to her for a few seconds. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably do it in modals. I mean, if I've got a lobby manager, I can handle it through that. So, actually, let's get rid of the button. Let's do there a panel. Maybe not that big. Sides of the panel. Thunder? Our poor cats are now scared. Deal. Okay, that'll work. Cool. Okay, so we have a panel. I'm gonna name this because people need to poop. People need to enter like a name or something. Goodbye. It's called name panel. I want input. I need text, input, and button. Text. Input field. And button. Button. Oh, that's squished. Is it because of the panel? It's because of the panel, isn't it? Yep. Okay. I don't want the panel being that size or that big. Oh no, that's not it. Image. I know there's a way to do this. It's just resizing the image. Slice, simple. Oh no. I mean, I guess I could technically outside and then just scale that, and it shouldn't scale the yeah, it shouldn't scale the inside. Means I will want to select these, create empty parent. Name this actually we'll call this name panel. Yeah, that'll be name panel. This will just be panel. That looks pretty good. The graphics and stuff will probably change. when you actually get some of that stuff. Okay, so the text button, let's go down. Text, let's center it. Good. Be that big. Yeah, that'll work. Enter name. We don't need the placeholder text. Yeah. Also scooch this up a little. Negative 30, 35, 35. Let's make this also 35. Okay. I know the text is kind of hard to see there, but kind of just placeholder at the moment. Panel doesn't need to be that big. That's better. Looks good. And yeah, it's that looks good. So that let's So they enter a name, and then we're gonna do we're gonna call this host join panel. I'm going, actually, delete that. We'll just add these. Actually, hide that for now. Add another panel. Cool. And we just need 2 buttons. Call this button host. And button join. And 2. Perfect. So then all of these we will put in a parent. We'll call this the host join panel. Cool. I'm gonna hide that for now. Okay, so this is where too many sprite tiles on image. The host join channel, depending on which one they pick, they hit host, they would enter a name for the session. Name for the session and password. Or a password if optional. Headphones. So let's get the host one done. And we need a text field. Actually, we need two text fields, 2 input fields, or 2 text, 2 input fields, and a button. Oh wait, we need to be able to. We also should have okay, we're gonna need more buttons for some of this stuff. I forgot. Because we need to be able to go back. So for now, let me hide that. Let's go back to this guy. think I'll just add a button. I need to name these. Well, it's not that important. -70. Okay. Actually, we'll probably reposition a few things here. Go back button. Either go back button or return to title screen. Yeah, maybe return to title. Yeah, return to title. That's good. Nope. Yeah, so that'll work. Disable that. And let's enable this. And we need another button. It's gonna be go back. Oh. Yeah, I should probably name the others. Button, enter. Button, return. Cool. 0. Let's put 30, 40. Yeah. And then the go back button will be at 40. Yeah. Okay. Back. Okay. So, back to working on the host one. We need to be able to enter a name for the host or the session, and then a password, optional, and then an enter button and a go back button, which get all that text. Put the text. Put button and another button. Button. Back and name these. DT name. No. It's label. Text name, input name. Okay. This is text host name. And then rename to input host name. Text password. And input password. And this one is enter. And this one is go back. Hmm. Change this to host name. A lot smaller. Move this a little bit more. Cool. Placeholders. Next time for the password. There's a way to make it. Fine, let's move this up a little bit more. Might also make these black just because it's hard to read this, or at least the text. Yeah. Go. That looks pretty good. This is our enter button. Go. Size of this one. Yeah, that looks good. And a little bit more. That looks good. Cool. Let's grab all of these and put them in a parent object. We're gonna name. This is host panel. So from here, after they enter the name and password and stuff and they hit enter, then it creates a room and puts them in it as player 1. Okay. Then let's hide that. So that's done. So now we need the join panel, which is going to be a little bit more elaborate because we need to have a list of hosts hosts that you can join. UI. Let's get our panel first. I'm trying to think of a good example of how to do this. I mean, it literally just needs to be a list, and next to each one there, or a list that you can select from, and then you hit the join button. Actually, that'd probably be the easiest. What would that be? Scroll view? Like that would be in a scroll view, and then we just add things to the scroll view. Ooh. At the bottom scroll. Horizontal scroll ball. Or horizontal. Auto hide. It might just auto hide it anyway. Wait. Horizontal? And know what's inside. Oh, I like the song. It's one of my favorites. Well, we have our scroll view, which you can select from. I might have to look that up. Like a selectable, a list that you can select an option from. Not really a drop down. I don't want to drop down. Okay, well, we need 2 buttons. We know that. One button being the join button and the other one being the go back button. We're going to call this I'll just call it scroll view underscore host list. Okay. B button join and button go back. Scroll view is probably going to be a bit bigger. So, height 500. Maybe not even that. 300. And then let's make the width 500. Make it a bit bigger. Yeah, that's not bad. The modal's or the panel's gonna be a bit bigger. Then this needs to go like a good bit up. $150 maybe. Negative 100. 200. That'll work. $150. Ooh, the navigation on this is going to be interesting. I'll have to figure that one out. Yeah, because as you can see, the navigation's fun. That works. Maybe. Move these down a bit more. Yeah. This down 50. Yeah, that looks better. It's more centered. Change the text on this. This is our join. And this is our go back. Cool. And then our panel. Ooh, not bad. Uh, 8. 7. 7. Yeah, 0.7. Cool. Okay. Let's put all these in a parent and name this the join panel. Okay. On to that. Okay, so the first one that players are going to see is the game panel. We have our network manager. I'm going to put our lobby manager as an object in here. Oh, technically the canvas could be that. No, let's make it a separate thing. Lobby manager, there. All right. Got it. Cool. Let's set that. Cool. So we have our network manager and our lobby manager. Now it's time for coding. Let's get our game manager in here too. Which some of that's gonna change. So our network manager, actually I should probably change this. Yeah, I want to make a copy of this script. Copy. Yeah. No. If it's supposed to be a singleton, then it probably needs the network. So, okay, so our network manager is going to be that. So I need a singleton behavior network manager. Cool. We're gonna move some of our code from oh, that's interesting. We're gonna move some of our code from here. But anything that's network related, I want to move. Well, thank you for the follower, Liner. I think our start, we're gonna move here. References. Game version. Yeah, the game version's for the network, so do that. Cool. Prefabs. Yeah. These are for spawning stuff in and do a spawn manager, which might be a better idea because the spawn manager could have the prefabs and deal with and can handle the instantiation of the player. So yeah, and the spawn manager really only needs to be in game world. Technically, you could make that the game manager, part of the game manager. Yeah, so then I'll leave these because these deal with like the actual game part. Okay, yeah, okay. I just want like stuff like connection be handled here, which the network manager will get instantiated in the lobby when you start because it connects to the network. So then all of this needs to be commented out. Actually, no. Connect using settings. Connect to Photon is configured in the Photon server settings file. I think this is where the game version is needed. Which I'm gonna do. Debug.log. Connecting to Photon. Cool. And then it'll do that. Yeah, that's where the game version is needed because this would change, and then I think it's like you can only connect to hosts that have the same game version. Redstone Pro, welcome back. How's it going? Okay, So we connect to the network, and then we want to, after we connect to the network, this is where we ask the user for a name for themselves. So then the input would already be up. So let's go back to our lobby manager. We need a click button or a click event for button. I'm gonna call this button name enter underscore on click. There we go. Then what this will do is I'll have a method in here for the network manager to set player name which will have a string here, name, we'll pass it in, and then it'll go to photon network dot nickname. Set to synchronize the player's nickname with everyone in the rooms you enter. This set's nickname is just a nickname and does not have to be unique or backed up with some account. The value anytime before you connect. Oh wait, anytime, for example, before you connect, and it will be available to everyone you play with. So nickname equals name. So a simple setter. What's your complaint? Hides property string. Object name. Really? Okay. Well, then we'll just do player name. Oh, that's right. Network manager. Try do that. Network manager dot instance dot that name. Oh. I think I can have it where it's passed in on this, maybe. Let me try it. If I do that. Okay. So let's go back to Unity. There we go. The button here. Button enter. Click event. I'll pass in the lobby manager. Function, lobby manager. Here we go. Button, name, enter. Okay, so you can do a string. I wish you could just do like, no, like pass it in this, but I guess not. Okay. Well, that is okay. I know how I'm gonna do that. So let's get rid of this. Actually, let me pass in a control. Go back. Our input. This. Mesh Pro dash text. No. Is it this, maybe? I don't know how this is gonna work. Out. So on our enter button, click. Okay. I put that in here. Put name. I think it worked. So then I can pass in the input field. And then in the code, I can do name dot text. Okay. Awesome. All right, so now I need another event for the return button. Return, click. This is just scene manager dot load. I want to go back to the title screen. Cool. Yeah, I'll deal with that. I do need to make sure I add those scenes. Let's add the scenes to build settings. There we go. Our return button. Lobby manager. Oh. So these should all be wired up. Let's hide this for now. And we'll do the host join panel. So this is mostly going to be code. if it'll allow me to open. Thank you. Okay, so we need 3 events actually. Public void button post on click. Join on click, and this is a go back on click. Now this one I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna have it to where it passes in game object, which is going to be the parent game object of whatever panel that we want it to go back to. So what it's going to do is, this is the one I want it to go back to, so what it's going to do is going to disable all of the other ones and then enable this one. Let's call this like UI panel. Cool. Host. On host click. We're not creating a room yet. I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, that's right. We have different lobbies that we can do too. I don't want different lobbies though. So this. Yeah, because there's only going to be one lobby. I don't need different kinds of lobbies. Maybe once they put in a name, I'll have it to where they join the lobby. I guess that'll work. Unconnected to master, connected to master. Actually, connecting to Photon server. And then this one will say connected to Photon. I don't want to put it here. Let's just do we'll just do a method that's just join lobby, public void, join default lobby. And then this can be called from here. After we put in a name, we'll just call it from here. Well, after they hit enter, then it'll set their name and then join the lobby which works. I'm gonna put another override. There should be like a on join on connected to lobby somewhere. On connected to there's connected server. Code on the client when you have successfully connected to the server. Unjoined lobby. Unjoined lobby. Yes. So we'll do the same thing that we've been doing. Connecting to default. Actually. Joining default lobby. I guess the way I can see we can have multiple different lobbies is if we did a lobbies for dev specifically. But I don't really see a point, especially during game jam. So give me this one, I'll put it here. And then this one will just be joined default lobby. So on host click, honestly, on a host click, all we really are going to do is just hide that one and load up. That's it. Which the lobby manager, I probably need like public game object. I'm making an array, do an array of game objects, and it's going to be title this UI panels. So I'll set all the panels in this, basically. What I need to do is disable all panels and then load up the one I want. Do this. A better idea. Instead of passing in a whole game object, I'm just going to have an index. And so we'll have all the panels in a list. So then that'll be the index of the one that we want. I'm going to do a private method that's just switch UI panels, and this is going to take UI panel index. So then what we're going to do is UI panels dot for each. Just do a for Okay, fine. We're just gonna be like that. Okay. For each panel, I want to. What language? This is C#, using Unity. Huh, is my chat not updating? I just got all those messages read. This could look good. I guess I'm not too sure what exactly your code is doing. I mean, I'm guessing it's a movement code or moving character null. So I see like speed and position and all that different things. Panels. Contains. There's no index of. Oh, that's fine. Actually, technically. If UI panel equals UI panels with UI panel index, then UI panel dot set active true. Else set to false. Looks like there's a way to, yep. Oh, yeah, that's an easier way of doing it. So then we can do the switch UI panels here. And then for the host, I guess it's whatever index that the host panel is on. Which I think that's two. And the join would be 3. I got timed out. I mean, I can... Yeah, I can see you messaging, it's just it's not... I don't know why it's not coming through all the time. Weird. Okay, so those are in place. I'll have to fill this. Can I open Unity, please? Thank you. Jeez. Button post. Lobby manager there. Manager. Button post. Q. Over join. Library manager. Lobby manager, join, and then there go back. Lobby. See the go back click. And then this needs to be set to actually to 0. Yeah, that works. Because we're currently, this is technically index of 1. I'm going by the index of what's here. Which grab these. Cool. Okay, so that's the host join panel. How about the host panel? The host panel, you have name and password. Which I'm gonna have to fire all these up. Let's get some of these methods. Why is that doing that? I don't understand. For some reason, it's not popping up here on this one. On enter. Now here's the fun part, because we need host name and password. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if I can pass in 2 parameters. Do a click event. I mean, maybe. Button host enter. We'll call it. So this is host name text and password. Okay. And then we have our go back button. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so let's go to our network manager. We have 2 things. We have create room or join room. Join default lobby. Let's put it here. Public void. Create. Let's just do create host. That logically makes sense, I guess. Photon network. Let me refer to the game manager here. Join or create a room. Joins a specific room by name and creates it on demand. I'd rather just do straight up room create. So, dot create room. Okay, so we have name, room options, type lobby. I think the password goes in the room options. I need to actually host name and password. Cool. So host name will get passed here. Common options for the room, like max players, initial custom room properties, like the password. Demade? Hello. I hope I pronounced that right. Welcome. I don't think you've been on here before. I guess for those who are first joining, I am working on a game for a 9-day game jam for GDEX 2022. I'm on a team. For the most part, I'm doing most of the coding at the moment. The idea is, well, the theme is a race, and we got the idea of doing some kind of like timed runner, like first person timed runner. That we're gonna make it into a multiplayer and make it competitive. And it's kind of got a pencil sketch style. The idea is kind of you're running away from the artist that created the character, and you're running towards like actually to get finalized and not get erased. We're titling it A Race Against Time. Oh, so this is your first time here. Oh, welcome. Let's get the room options. Room options. Room options. Are there any constructors? No, there's not. So, max players 4. What else is there? Is visible. Plugins? No. There should be a way to do password. What is this? Player TTL. Time to live. Okay. Is open. The room is closed. No player can join this. As example, this makes sense when 3 or 4 possible players start their game early and don't want anyone to join during the game. The room can still be listed in the lobby. Okay. This is probably something that would get set after you hit start. Oh. My internet blipped for a second there. That was weird. Think we're still going? Okay. Double check. Yeah, we're still going. Okay. That was weird. Connect to server. This creation. So how do we do a password? I want to have it set to where you can set a password. There's gotta be ways to set a password. Between when I sent the message and when it showed up on screen. My internet, but for a second there, so that might have been it. I don't know. So unless it's still happening, that'll be kind of strange. Huh. Is there just no way to set a password? I mean, I guess it's not that important. For the jam. Yeah, I will see what can be done about it later. Right now, the password kind of... it's not going to get used. Let's put options here. I think that's it. Create room, options, piped lobby, affected users. Okay. Excuse me. So, network manager dot instance dot create host. Okay, that should work. That's on the enter, and then the go back, we'll just use the go back. Whoa. Cool. So our enter button, get our click event here, Lobby manager. Looking for. Oh, it's not listing it here. Okay, so I guess I can't have two inputs. Oh, odd. I guess it makes sense, but. Okay, well, for now, I'm going to hide the text one or the password one because we don't have a function for that. And then we'll just take it out of here. That's nothing in there. Cool. On host enter. I want this. Cool. So that one's set. Oh, wait, no, it's not. I need to set up the go back button. That'll just use go back click, and then it uses an index. We're currently on index 2, and we want to go back to 1. So that one's good. Here's the fun part, the join panel. I'm gonna have to look up a little bit of documentation for this. Okay, well, we can figure this out. There's got to be a way to populate this. I'll probably, to start with, I'll probably just have like a test list so I can see how it looks. Let's do void populate host list. That'd be a way to get it. Public get host list. Network manager. Actually, no. Photon network dot like room, count of players in room, current room, in room, get custom room list. Fetches a custom list of games from the server, matching a non-empty SQL triggers on room list update. Okay. I wonder if that's what we can use. But it returns a bool, so where do we pick the room list? Fetches a custom list of games from the server. Not exactly what I want. Okay. Trying to look up on how we can do this. Oh, here we go. Main lobby, update cached room list. Okay, so it's an event. On room list update. So we have to do some different events. So we have, that's fine, on join the lobby. Actually, first I'm gonna grab this. A nice little we're gonna have a cached room list, which we'll have up here. Dictionary. Okay. So cache room list. So that's our list of rooms. And we have the update cache room list. So on joined lobby, we want to clear it. Then there's an override here. We're on room list update. And then it gets the room list, updates it. And then on left lobby, clears it. And then there's an on disconnect, it clears it as well. So that works out. Okay, so I do want to have a method here that's just get room list, get cast room list. Okay, so then our lobby manager, I want to get that list. First, populate host list. This will be called when we join this guy. It's clicked. I'm gonna have a test list here, just for the sake of it. We don't have any rooms to start with, so I want something to test it with. Ew. New room info. Does this have? Oh, okay. As far as the list, all we really care about is the name and how many players there are. There a list and join used for the room listing in the lobby. The properties are not settable. Okay, yeah. Actually, test list might not work. I have to just test that later. For each, each room and room list. Look here. This is just a list of, what does it say for the okay, so the key is the name. We do want that. But I need to figure out how I'm going to populate the thing. Hold on. Unity UI. Let me pull this over here. Unity UI. Selectable list. Scroll view, expanded group. Some kind of layout group. Okay, the items in your list should be children of content. Let's go back to Unity here. Let me look at our scroll view. Viewport content. Okay. Then we could technically set this up. Let me look at that again. I don't know why that's not working. Scroll view. Expand scroll view, then viewport. Okay, and find the content object. Give it some kind of layout. Vertical layout group. Okay. Oh, such as vertical layout group, horizontal group, or grid layout group. Cool. Plus a content size fitter. Content size fitter. Okay. Then it said mentioning about making the UI things a prefab. That's actually a good idea. Which we can just do that here. So UI panel. Maybe. I want another panel. It. Actually, delete that. Just an empty object in here. Room panel. Girl child. Son. Hmm. Figure out why it's so squished and so weird. That's working kind of. What? Red alignment. Center? Oh, did that just do it? Almost. We don't need a button. Okay. I must be missing something. I mean, let's see if we can make that prefab. So. Room panel. Prefabs. Put that in here. There we go. Okay, well, I guess I'm all stuck at the moment, but I'll probably be resuming this next time, but got pretty far on this. That's pretty much all the time I have for now. I'll probably be doing this again, maybe tomorrow, or sometime this week because the jam's going on until Sunday. So, thank you all for joining. I guess this wasn't the most exciting one, but I mean, it's something. But I will see you guys next time. See ya.